prepaid call from
Paper.
an inmate from Nyland Correctional Facility. Please wait while we...
Hank.
Hey, brother. I got great news. We're gonna be back on top.
We got a problem.
What?
Yo, can you hear me?
Hang on. What was that?
I said there's a fucking rat.